Welcome to Instagram with Kimali, and today we will be doing something just a tad bit different. So we're gonna get straight into it, and yeah. Okay, so hey, my name is Miki Mali. If you're new to my channel, I do videos on fashion, hair, and lifestyle. So if you're into any of those topics, please subscribe.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please yes, yes. Okay, thank you.
And also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and leave a like.
Like, why is my finger going down? Am I trying to tell you guys to like leave a dislike?
So that I can know that you like videos like this. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Pinterest board. And oh my god, I love Pinterest so much. I'm low-key a Pinterest addict, and I just wanted to show you guys some of my Pinterest boards, and it's the kind of stuff I really be doing on Pinterest. I don't know if they use Pinterest the correct way. I don't know, but I'm gonna show you guys how I use Pinterest. So I'm already on my Pinterest, and yeah. Alright, let me show you guys my boards first, like the stuff I do. Alright, so on my Pinterest, I'm Miki Mali on Pinterest. Follow me on Pinterest if you want. Comment down below your Pinterest profile, and y'all can just follow each other on Pinterest because it's so peaceful over there. Pinterest is the place to be. Alright, so my boards. I'm just gonna let you guys see my boards. So I have a fashion board, a hair board, a food board, handbags and purses, birthday dress inspo. That is like a whole reason behind it, because I was trying to do some stuff. Not was, I still am. I do some stuff with birthday dresses, but that's beyond the point. Footwear, nails, public photos. Hygiene, swimsuits and bikinis, photo inspirations, which it's like photo inspirations. So it's like if I see a photo and I'm like, I would like to take a photo like that, it's like an inspiration photo. I know. Alright, so we have a travel board. Oh my god, I haven't put anything in my eyewear board since like online. It says a week ago, but I don't remember putting anything in my eyewear board. Like I don't really be looking at like sunglasses and stuff because I really be wearing lashes. But anyways, headwear. I've really been into headwear recently. I mean, I've not been into it, but I've been looking at it. I have a few like bucket hats and stuff that I haven't worn yet. I'm so excited. But yeah, Pipirita girl, bro, don't even ask me like that. Honestly, I'm realizing I'm low-key exposing myself, but y'all don't care. Jewelry, home decor, interesting things. This is just like the weirdest little board ever. Like, I don't even want to go into interesting things. I don't even know if I'm going to go into all of these boards today. I'm just gonna probably do the ones that I usually do. I'm just gonna paint. I'm not gonna keep this fancy. Then you have a body board with all like my body inspirations, like oh my god, body goals type vibes. School outfits. Oh my god, 10 weeks ago. Why was this updated 10 weeks ago? Like I do not update this. I don't know. Such an old boy, but I actually leave stuff up. Anyway, fashion. That's like for my year of my life when I was like super obsessed with Friends fashion from what's her name? From Nanny, the Nanny. Yeah. Oh my god, wedding. Yes. Sewing. I really don't even update these boys. You got my drawing board, my car, yeah, sticker here, DIY, skin, my posh closet. SAT, really? Really? Alright, so now that I have introduced you guys to what my doing, we can just go pinning, and I can just like show you guys, I don't know, stuff I like to pin. Okay, so I would pin this in fashion. I like this. I like the purse, the Chanel purse, and the set. I haven't really seen this set before. But, I like the background. Like she's like she took a picture at like a wine cellar. This would be something that would definitely be in my fourth inspiration. Oh my gosh, alright. Sketching. It's like alright, I think I'm back to that. Because it's so cute. Like it's not really a fashion photo, but I would like to take a pic like this. Like he's feeling what was that word? Like she's just chilling by, I don't know if it's a pool or something. It just looks kind of tropical, kind of breezy, kind of resort like with her little Dior purse. And it's just like a vibe. I don't know if she's drinking water, if it's liquor, but I want some. Okay. Well, I have some good months, man. I don't know, I've been feeling like this is so bougie, just like with the hat. This could be something in fourth inspiration because it's not like a full outfit, but sometimes it just, I don't know, make it too much of a big deal. But I really like that pic. There's just so much to pin. It's so peaceful. This is the most peaceful social media platform. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Well, this is such a vibe. Like this couple's photo. I cannot. This is nice. I don't know. Like I feel like I like to see people that do couples of like outfits where they were in the same outfit. But I feel like if I was a couple, I would feel so weird. Like why are we in the same outfit? Are we twins? Like I don't know. I would definitely feel weird, but I like seeing it though. But I don't know if I could actually do it and not feel super weird. These are so cute. I remember one time, oh my gosh, I had these Jimmy Choo heels. I was like, how old was I? I don't know, I was in high school. But they were too small. And my mom gave them away, bro. I wanted to die. I just wanted to sit down and look at those shoes. I didn't want to give them away. I didn't care. Honestly, I would have went blind for those shoes because I would have stuffed my foot inside that thing. I would have stuffed my foot inside that thing and just so cute. She saw the shoes. Oh my gosh. Probably my memory is like hyping them up more than they need to be, but those shoes were everything. I like my car. Like that word is so childish because like my car. You know how she's like my car. Yeah, I know. Why did I name it like that? But yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys. If you guys like my Pinterest board or Pinterest videos, please like, let me know down in the comment section so I can do more videos like this. And yeah, bye.